Raglan Castle is a beautiful, majestic palace fortress in Monmouthshire, Wales, regarded to be the greatest castle ever built by a Welshman. The Blue Knight of Gwent, Sir William ap Thomas, who fought in the Battle of Agincourt with King Henry V, started construction of the castle in 1435. He started by building the Great Tower, known as the Yellow Tower of Gwent. The Great Tower was designed to be self-contained. Originally, it was a 6-story hexagonal keep built on its own moated island. Thick walls, battlements, kitchens, and luxurious apartments gave this tower an incredible defensive and living capability. After his death in 1445, the castle passed to his son William, who extended the original design. Design was a medieval Tudor mix. William wanted to demonstrate his position and status as the first Earl of Pembroke, a title given to him for his loyalty to King Edward IV and the fall of the Lancastrians in Wales. The castle was a fortified palace. A formidable 3-story entrance was added in 1461. This great gatehouse was imposing and featured double portcullises, machicolations, and a bridge. A very young Henry Tudor, the future King Henry VIII, was sent to Raglan Castle to be brought up by William. During the late 1500s, the castle underwent more renovations. The long gallery was added, with its ornate window designs and Renaissance influences. It was used to house works of art. Water gardens and fish ponds were introduced, alongside terraced gardens with decorative stone balustrades and statues. In 1646, during the English Civil War, Raglan was a royalist stronghold. The castle endured a 13-week siege by parliamentary forces, during which it sustained relentless bombardment. With no hope of relief and the castle surrounded, the royalists surrendered, and Parliament ordered Raglan to be totally destroyed. The slighting didn't happen as well as Parliament wanted. The castle's construction was so well designed that only one wall was able to be destroyed, along with the roof of the long gallery. Today, Raglan Castle stands as a beautiful, historic palace ruin. Managed and maintained by the Welsh Historic Monuments Agency, this Grade 1 listed monument is open to the public as a tourist attraction.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.